All right, last problem of the night is Unit 4 Study Guide number 10. Um, they give us this drawing of some dude and some tree. I tried to draw it here, but clearly something happened to my stick figure man, and his neck is severely hurting him. Um, so I want to go through and I want to label this, but we have the same problem we had with that other problem when we're dealing with feet and inches, two different units. So again, I'm going to write all of my numbers in inches. So this first distance right here of his shadow is 8 foot 6 inches. Well, 6 inches is 6 over 12 feet, which is of course half. So I'm going to write that as 8.5 feet. The distance from that dude to the tree is 11 feet 3 inches. 3 inches in feet is 3 over 12, which is 1/4, which I'm going to write as 11.25. Similarly, for this dude's height, 5 foot 8 inches. If you remember, that's actually the same number we did on the other problem, problem number 6. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump to the fact that I already know that 5 foot 8 inches is 17 feet. I'm just going to use that. So if you don't know how I got that, go look at the video for problem number 6. The height of the tree is unknown. That's x. We're practically done with this problem. We just got to set up our proportions. So again, I'll draw the two different triangles for you just in case you're not seeing them, but hopefully you are. We got our tiny triangle made by the man, which has a base of 8.5, a height of 17 over 3, and then we got our bigger triangle, which is made by the tree with a height x that we don't know, but the length is that whole distance there, 8.5 plus 11.25. So if we add those numbers together, we'll get 19.75. And we got similar triangles because they share that angle, and hopefully that dude's standing straight upright, and so is the tree. So we got a similarity, and all you got to do is set up your proportion. So again, make your life easy. Put x in the numerator and do x over 19.75 equals 17/3 over 8.5. And go ahead and cross multiply to get 8.5x equals 19.75. Sorry, it's kind of sloppy. Times 17/3. Again, I know a lot of you don't like fractions, but you have a calculator. Use it. 17 divided by 3. Put that in your calculator. You will get 5.6666666666666666666. Multiply that by 19.75. You get 8.5 equals 8.5x equals, when I multiply those two numbers, I get 111.916. Repeating. Again, don't round it. You got a calculator. Just leave it in there. Divide both sides by 8.5 to get x equals 111.916. Repeating, divided by 8.5 is 13.16. Repeating, 0.16 is the decimal 1/6. So it's like I have 13 and 1/6. Well, if I convert that 1/6 into inches or feet, rather, I know I have 12 inches in a foot, so that's going to be 13 feet and 2 inches. And I'm done. But if you left it as 13.16 repeating, I would take that. I don't know about everyone, but I would. So we're done with that problem. We're done with that study guide. Live a stress-free life. Hug your mother. Do awesome things. Eat healthy. Eat spinach. Eat berries. And get an A on this test because you are awesome and you can be successful.